Hey YouTubers, millionaires, multi-millionaires, future millionaires. My name's Ali. On this channel we'll talk about making money online, using the internet or leveraging the internet using affiliate marketing. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. Today what I have for you guys is an offer that's is irresistible offer. It's hard to beat because it's being taught by millionaires and it costs you $0. So imagine attending a conference and all the speakers are millionaires and they're going to teach you all their tricks. Give me 1 second here. Let me button up my thing. I apologize. I just kind of jumped in the car real quick. I was visiting my girls today. Give me 1 second here. I apologize. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm so sorry. So what I'm trying to say, imagine attending a conference that's being held by millionaires, and these millionaires, they're going to spill the beans and tell you exactly what they have done to become millionaires, and they will charge you $0. $0. All right. I'm not charging you $7, which is equivalent to a Starbucks cup of coffee or maybe a slice of pizza. I'm not charging you $100. They're not charging you $1,000. You're being charged nothing, guys. And this is an investment into yourself. So if you are interested in improving your lifestyle and getting out of the 9 to 5 or whatever it is, the shit that you're doing right now, I'm actually not talking to you. I'm talking to myself because I was in this shit. I was an agent for 3 years. And being in the office was a complete freaking disaster. So I got out of it and I started doing affiliate marketing, start living the lifestyle, the laptop lifestyle. And if you are interested in doing the same thing, perhaps for yourself, for your family, to improve your lifestyle, to improve your children lifestyle, mother, father, any loved one, I'm giving you the opportunity to do that. And if you are on the budget, this is a perfect fit for you guys. So if you are interested in learning how to start an online business and without investing any money at all, I'm bringing that to you right now. And I want you to take advantage of it because tomorrow's not promised. A friend of mine just got a call from her office yesterday and she got let go. So it doesn't matter, you know, nothing's secure anymore. When they give you the boot, they give you the boot. When your time is up, they'll tell you to hit the hay, hit the road, and you're going to hit the road. And there's nothing you can do about it. So, guys, 2022 is going to be coming right around the corner. And if you don't make any changes, if you keep doing what you're doing right now, in 2022 is going to be the exact same. So in order for you to see different lifestyle, different results, different everything, you have to take action. You have to change your bad habits replace them with good habits. Educate yourself, self-development, become a skilled individual. Learn a high-paying skill that will allow you to either, whether you choose to be employed, some people don't like to be entrepreneurs and just take the total control of their life. If you want to do that and increase your salary, what I'm offering you will allow you to do that. There's training on YouTube on there that will allow you to scale your business when they teach you how to set up the business and build your business. And there's also training in there for affiliate marketing. There's training for everything. This is all free, guys, and it's all done by millionaires. So I want you to take advantage of this, because if you go on all these paid courses that's offered here and there, they're thousands of dollars, and I'm giving it to you guys completely free at no cost to you whatsoever. Invest a couple hours a day, educate yourself, learn a skill, and become a valuable, basically, instead of you searching for employment, let the employers look for you. And instead of you begging for a salary, you determine what kind of salary. You can write your own paycheck with the training that I'm giving you. You can change your lifestyle completely. Instead of having to worry about paying your mortgage within the next 30 years, you could perhaps pay your mortgage within the next 30 months. Instead of worrying about your children going to a mediocre college, you can send them to a private college, perhaps Yale, Princeton, something where they can be elite members of society when they graduate and learn to be the best. If you want to be a good parent and bring out the best in your children, parenting is a Greek word, and the definition of parenting means bringing out the best of the child. So if you want to bring out the best in your children and give them a better lifestyle than you had, which we all do as parents, this will allow you to do that. It will give you enough income to change your lifestyle and everybody else around you. The link's going to be in the description, guys. I don't want this video to be too long. I want you to dive in. You got 2-3 months before this year is over, and in those 2-3 months, you can actually start developing skills that will pay you 6 to 7 to 8 figures if you learn how to implement this training properly. So I want you to take advantage of this and implement all the steps. Take action. Don't just watch the video and don't do it and just walk away and do what you were doing. Take action. Watch the video, learn from the video, and implement the steps and start making 6 to 7 to 8 figures. Some people actually make 6 to 7, 8 figures a month. You could do the same thing too. You're just as smart. All you got to do is just apply yourself. I believe in you guys. Sorry about my car holder here. I need to tighten up the screws. I keep saying that and I keep forgetting to do that. Anyway, guys, I'm going to let you go right now. I love you. I believe in you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, leave them below. I read all my comments. I respond to all my comments. If you need help with anything, let me know. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. What else? Share this video if you've gotten any value out of it. Share it with anybody that you might think that need help also financially. All right? I will talk to you soon. Best of luck, and I will see you on the inside. Thank you. Bye-bye.